welcome back to our channel. I am Indian Sibling. Today, as you know, I teach you how to code, and today we'll be coding a cat and mouse game. So let's get started. Here we go. So our first Sprite, which is basically the mouse, we're gonna go to over here and choose a sprite. And we're just gonna search up mouse. Yeah, right here. Mouse 1. And get rid of the cat. So we'll delete mouse right here. The mouse 1, so we'll delete the 1 out. So first thing is, the problem is that it's too big, so we'll go for a when flag clicked forever and put a set size to 50. So right here, set size to 50%. So now if you click the green flag, it will become smaller. And that's how small we want it. So the mouse is gonna be the player, and we'll also select a background, which will be like a bedroom. So I'll search out bedroom, and I'm not gonna go for the bedroom 1 or bedroom 2. I'm gonna go for the bedroom 3 because I think that's the most appropriate. But you can choose whatever you want. So where I want the mouse to start is near the window. It's right here, that window right there. So what I will do is first see how far that is. That is 56 and 101. Y 101 and 56. And X is 56. So instead of just grabbing the when flag clicked and just go to that direction, like right here, go to X56 and Y101, it will not give us a good reset point. It will just take us there, and that's not what we want. So I want it to glide there. So what we'll do is this glide. Glide sex to 56 and Y101. So I'm going to put that one instead. So look, now when you do it, it will glide there. See? Now we want the mouse to move. And it has to look like it's moving. So the mouse has 2 sprites in the costume. So if you go to costumes, you'll see 2 mouses. They look like the mouse is moving, so we're going to use that. So what we need to do is when flag clicked, forever, if key right arrow is pressed, or if you also want a WASD, we can also take a or. D is pressed, or key D is pressed, then we can change X by 4, so that will make us move right. And if you want to move left, it will be -4. But we also want the mouse to look like it's moving. So what I will do is next costume. So you will find it in the looks. So next costume right here. So if I move it here, my mouse, and play it, it would be Oh, accidentally typed -4 in the right arrow. Just type in 4, so it will work. So now it will move right ways, and it's looking like it's moving. See? I'm gonna do the same thing for left arrow and just duplicate that. But now what I want, actually never mind. So what we need is to click when key left arrow is pressed, or key A, then change X by -4. So what that will do is, or -4. So it would make us go like this. It'll go right and left. And what I'm gonna do is turn the second mouse horizontally, so it'll be that facing way. So it'll be like that, so we don't want that. So what I am gonna do is change this back to normal and then duplicate both of these. And change these in horizontal. So it's going a bit smoothly and it's like he's dancing. And we don't want that either. So I'll just leave it like how it was before. Looking like it's moving. Now we need up and down arrow. We'll duplicate the if left arrow and right arrow is pressed. So hey, how did I just hide my backdrop? Right here. There we go. So it's there and we're moving. So let me go here and duplicate this. Now we don't want the next costume for the up arrow and down arrow, and no, change X by. And change the right arrow to up arrow and change the left arrow to the down arrow. And change the D to a W. So I'll go and get that. There we go, a W and S we need right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get a Y by, change Y by 4. So they all have the same speed in each of them. So now as you can see, our mouse moves right and left and down and up. Oh wait, in the down arrow, change it to -4. There we go. So now it should work. So it's working. It's on the bed, it's on the window, it's on the cupboard, it's everything. So we can move easily. Now what we want is the cat. So we'll go ahead and choose a sprite and type in cat. Cat 2. We don't want that scratchy cat we had before. And we want the size to be 70%, not 100, 70. So when flag clicked, forever, set size to 70%. There we go. So now the cat is shrink and the mouse is even smaller. That's what we want. Next is when flag clicked, and we'll also create a variable called cat score. And cat score. So that'll be the score of the cat, and select for the sprite only. If you're on the mouse, don't do that. You gotta be on the cat and type in cat score and for the sprite only. So there we go. So now what I'll do is when flag clicked, set cat score to 0. Set cat score to 0 forever if touching mouse 1. So you want a forever loop, and then if touching mouse, if touching mouse, then play sound meow too. It's right here. If you go to the sounds, you can test it. It'll be like that. So we want it to play every time it touches the mouse, and it will change the cat score by 1. So let's go here and go to sounds. Play sound meow 2 until done. Next, what we need is wait 0.1 seconds. So we'll have a time. You'll have some time to give the cat a point. So then change cat score by 1. So if you play this, I'll just go to the cat and it'll change cat score by 1. Now we needed to wait 4 seconds for the mouse, and then it will start running for our mouse. So it will take it 4 seconds to find our mouse, which is the player, and then it will start coming towards us. So we need to wait 4 seconds forever. Next costume, move 2 steps. You can change it to 3 or 4 steps, or if you want it challenging, you can make it faster than the mouse. Well, I'm just gonna make it medium for me. So what I'm gonna do is next costume. Now the cat also has a costume, which I will create right now. So here's our normal cat. It doesn't have a costume right now. So what I'll do is grab the cat and duplicate it. And then what I'm just gonna do is just flip the claws, like paws like this. Just flip them. And there we go. So we have a moving cat. So that's why it's so simple to make costumes for that cat. All you have to do is just flip horizontal all the claws. Let me show you again. So you click this and you can double click, you can like right click and it will show you a duplicate. You just click that. Then you will select this right here and then just flip horizontal. Just do that for all the paws. And the legs do the same thing. And there you go. You got the second costume. So here we go. Next costume, move 2 steps. So I'm gonna do that. 2 steps and point towards mouse. Mouse, there we go. So now if you try this, it should wait 4 seconds for us, and then it should start chasing us. Now, if you guys really want to make the cat find you when it's close by, well, I'm sorry, I don't know how to do that, so I'm trying this trick, because it will take us a few seconds to go near the cat, and then the cat will eventually start finding us. So that's the cat code. Next up, we have the bread. So I will choose a Sprite and type in bread. Here we go. I know that mouse like cheese, but I'm also gonna put in bread because they don't have a cheese Sprite. Because in the Sprites, they don't really have a cheese, so I'm just gonna select a bread. They also eat bread, so. Now we want the bread to be a bit big. So we're gonna make the size to 200%. Set size to 200%. Set size to 200%. So it'll be like this. It's that big. So that's big enough for us right now. We can eat that. I will take a few bites. And now I'm not gonna make this an infinite based game. I'm gonna make it like a point based game. I think it should take like 10 or 15 bites for the mouse to finish the spread. So I can do that. So right now we're working on the bread, so we need a 1 flag clicked. And then a show. And then switch costume to bread. Forever. If touching mouse, we need to switch to costume bread. It's need to be still bread, and then we need to play sound bite. So we are gonna go to sounds, and it has no sound right now, it's just pop, and we don't want that. So I'll go over here and choose a sound and just search up bite. Bite. Yeah, there it is. Okay, got it. Okay, so we can put that one there. So play sound bite until done. Now we wanted to wait 0.1 seconds and play sound alert. Now why we need that is because we want it to alert the cat to start chasing the mouse. So I'm not really going to go for the idea when I go close to the cat, it will start chasing us. My idea is when it touches the bread and makes the alert, the cat will start chasing the mouse. So we need wait 0.1 seconds. So right there. And then play sound alert until done. So go over here, choose the sound, and type down alert. That's what we want. That's a good alert. So I'll put that one there. Play sound alert until done. And then wait 0.1 seconds again. And we want it to stay right there. And nothing else. So if you test this out now, and when it goes over there, and then the cat starts chasing us, and we try to run away. Run away. Okay, now what we need to work on is a mouse score. So I'm gonna go to the mouse again and get the mouse score. Now if you want to do this way, it's a very simple way to do it. So what you need to do is type in mouse score. There we go. Rename it. Score. Okay, and actually I'm gonna delete it and make it only for that sprite. So I'll score for the sprite only there. So when you're gonna click one flag clicked forever, If touching mouse 1, oh, we gotta do that in the bread. Okay, then we'll actually have to make and delete the mouse score variable and make it for all sprites. Okay, for all sprites, and go to the bread. So multiply click forever if touching mouse then play sound collect. Oh wait, that's for the tunnel. Okay, so actually get rid of this, guys, and create a new sprite. Now we don't want to choose a sprite, create a new one and make a tunnel. So how we're gonna do that is to go right here and get rid of all the outline, and then just grab a square, make it like this, and then a darker, that color, okay, and then a darker color right there, and then a super dark color, not like black, just a dark brown then, so it will look like it won't look like a tunnel. So let's fix the shape. So we're gonna get this and then just curve it all up, curve it. Here we go. So I'm making it for all. Yes, curve this, curve that, point, curve it. Oh wait, let me just see if I can. Okay, that's curved. Select that point and curve that. Select that point and curve that. Select this point and curve that. Select this point and curve that. So there we go, we got a tunnel. And we want it to go right there. So what we're gonna do is we need to first put it over there. So when flag clicked, forever be over there. So -216 and right here. So it's there. And -157y. So okay. Next, what we need is to get when flag clicked, set mouse score to 0. Then forever if now why we are doing this on the tunnel is because why aren't we doing it on the bread? It is because when the mouse goes to the bread, we wanted to get the bread and go into his tunnel and get a point. So that's what we're gonna do right now. That's why I'm not going and doing it into the bread. So if touching mouse, play sound collect until done. Now we need another sound. Now pop and collect. So collect is like that. You can also make it fast and slow. Or you can make it robot. I like it normally. Okay, there we go. So we got collect. And play sound collect until done. So play sound collect until done. change mouse score by 1 and wait 0.1 seconds, and that's it. So we've got the basics right now. We got a point because you took the bread. Guys, you know every time I eat the bread, it's just keeping doing the alert sound. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't really know how to fix that, so that's why I'm just leaving it like this. So that's good enough for me. And I'm gonna type down mouse house. Mouse house. They rhyme. Okay. Now we're gonna create a new sprite and just type down something. Just type down mouse wins in brown. Mouse wins. So we've got mouse wins, and then just make it big. That big. And then just color it up any color you want. I'm just gonna do it light. Now the code for this is when flag clicked, forever. Now if. Now we're gonna do it operator, and if. Now we're working on the mouse wins. So we're gonna select if mouse score equal. Oh guys, wait. Let me delete the cat score very quickly. And type down cat score, but for all sprites. So there. If touching mouse, change cat score by 1. So let's do this. Okay, and mouse. Let's do the mouse wins. So then we also wanted to hide forever, so let's do that too. When flag clicked, forever hide. And then after that we're gonna grab when flag clicked and forever. For if mouse score equals to 50, we want what score? You can select any score you like. Well, I'm just gonna go with 10. If mouse score equals to 10, the score, then show. So if I quickly win for the mouse, gotta run. Wins. So that's what's happening. And then what I will do is grab stop all. So then it stops the whole game. Now we're going to do the same thing for cat score. Just type down cat score. No, I mean cat wins, and color that blue. So just make it big. So there we go. I'm gonna select, just go to the mouse and then just drag it inside the cat wins there. So we got both of those codes, and then instead change this to cat score, and then Aadya, all that. So now let me win for the cat. Oh yeah, I forgot to set this cat score to 0. Let me do that too. Cat go to 0. There we go. Cat wins. There we go. So guys, that's the game, and I hope I was able to explain you and simplify this. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye. Aadya. LOL. Looking at this, the light up glitter series.
We're going to make something special for our mom.
Want to see the next picture? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.